everyone, it's Dr. Rick, and I'm doing an unboxing on NUUN. This is an electrolyte supplement you can drop into your water source. We happen to be with a team here. Hi team, say hello. And we just summited Hat Shop, which is one of the trails at Bryce Canyon, and we're taking a break. But this is, instead of just doing water, especially you guys that have to be outside if you're training for high school or college and it's hot and you don't have the taste for just water, well, number one, this is electrolytes, which you usually will lose a little bit of when you're sweating. Number two, it flavors the water, in my opinion. So this is strawberry flavored, thus the strawberry color. There's 10 of them in a container. I'm going to ask my other cohort here, Sandhya, how much do these go for at the Fruitful Yield?
Probably about $5.
$5, okay. So you can do this, or I think I did an unboxing on Airborne a long time ago as well. So this is what I would do. I empty out some of the contents of this 12-ounce bottle, and then I break this in half, and I put it in the bottle. You have to empty out the contents sometimes because the fizzy tabs or the carbonation, it'll give you a little bit of gas in the bottle, and if you're not ready for it, oh, there's my top, then you might overspill, but that's more than enough. So you can see, you just change the colors there. So I'll just see if I can accelerate this. And if you're fine with just tanking down on fluids, great. And by the way, if you do go on an excursion with anybody or myself, the suggestion is, especially we're under the sun, and if you're going through a strenuous hike under the sun, you should take about 1 liter for every 2 hours that you're hiking, if you're hiking 2 miles an hour. Check out my videos on my YouTube channel for hiking and other things. So you can see the bottom, it's dissolving. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste it now so you don't have to watch. I don't have a time lapse on this. So, and I happen to like strawberry. So it gives it a hint. It hasn't finished all dissolving yet, but it gives enough of a hint without salty taste. So a lot of you parents will go straight for Pedialyte, and in my opinion, it is good. It's available in most places, Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, Target, but I don't like the taste of Pedialyte. It's well balanced with electrolytes for kids, but to me, it just doesn't have palatability. And if it doesn't have palatability, you're gonna have to force it down to somebody. This is meant to be, this is meant to be taken down so you'll be wanting to do more and more, especially as you finish a hike. What have we done now? 2 hours? 2 hours, and we have 4 more hours going uphill. Sorry about that. So it's dissolving even further and has a nice flavor to it. So I'm gonna give this a thumbs up for flavor. I have a couple more bottles I'm gonna rehydrate as well as my team. And it also has electrolytes. So I don't know if you can see that, but that's the electrolyte label. So check it out. If you don't know where to get it, you can get it on Amazon, but check out your local Fruitful Yield if you're in Illinois with Sandhya, and ask for Sandhya. She works at the Fruitful Yield. Sandhya, if you could wave. Otherwise, if you know anybody that you ask to hydrate and they don't because it just isn't palatable, or tell them to try this. I think this will give them a little boost, and it'll encourage them to be more active with, it's really just being careful. If you dehydrate, it makes the cramps worse. If you dehydrate, it makes headaches come on. So stay ahead of the game and you should be fine. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Don't forget to subscribe.